man. Once again, this is Emeka from Liberia, but now a Nigerian man. I invited everybody to this big Nigerian party happening this weekend. 125 North Spring Street in Bluefield, New Jersey. It's going to be a PhD party for this boy they call Uche Bonny Honorable Uche Bonny. You know, everybody know him. The man in Nigeria, they say the man he light skin. But in Liberia, we say the man he rare. He got rare complexion. Everybody know him. He a big boy. Even if you see him, you know he a big boy. He carry his chest like this all the time. His chest big like this. He carry a big chest like this. Walking like this, like a big boy. So as a big boy, everybody should come and celebrate with the big boy. Damn. If you're a Liberian woman, you might come. If you're a Nigerian woman, you might come. If you're a Nigerian man, you might come. Liberian man, even if you're from Gabon, I know you are just remove your president, you might come. People from Niger Republic, you remove your president, you might come. People from Burkina Faso, you remove your president, you might come. People from Mali, I know your president gone, but you might come. Even people from Nigeria, I know you guys say your president, Tinubu, he did not win. But forgive the man. For now, forgive Tinubu and Jack come and celebrate with Uche Bonny life. It's going to be a big party. Hey man, come through.
Bar Media Pinnacle Entertainment. Derima.